not a MidJourney, not any other tools. This is the one only one side. Two sides I will tell you which is greater than MidJourney, which will give you in short time many results, and you can buy and sell NFT, and you can sell your photos into NFT, or you can earn money up for selling. So let's start. First website is playground.ai. It will have to generate AI images. So I will prompt. There are many fonts are there. I generated many photos. Example, I generated space. There are many prompts also there. There are many photos. So there's Spider-Man and many others. So there are many prompts also there. Filters which can help you to grow your NFT. And I will tell you many things. So how I will generate one photo. There is a pro tip also given by a prompter. This website. So I will generate one image and give you example how it's generate. I will generate. I think I will generate space boy. I will generate space boy and then generate. So you can add image also. So you can create your own profile AI image. So you have to make an image. So you have to contact me on my Instagram. I will generate an image for only for $1. So this is how I generated a AI image. This is a prompt, space bar, print style, etc. So there are many prompts, there are many filters which can use to generate your AI images for free. And I will tell please like or subscribe our channel for more updates. I will tell you many AI tools which are helpful to you in 2023. You can build a business also. There are many filters we can give you tips also for generate images, and you will help in many more help, or you can work as a freelancer. I will generate an app in Fiverr. Those kind of Liska.at. Liska.at is have a many stock free photos. So first I will generate image. There are many filters which will give prompts. You can generate prompts with the chat help of chat GPT, and you will get a great prompt. But if there is no any prompt, you have to type your prompt tone. This is a prompt. Open it. You can edit also image for Jessica.art. So I will generate an image nature. But sorry, I first we have to generate and we'll go to generate page. So you can add also negative prompt which can help to generate negative images. Example, there manage color settings. I will generate nature image. So it's to generate 10 to 5 to 6 seconds in playground AI, and this post site also. I will give many sites. Only subscribe our channel and on the notification bell. So this image is generated 4 image generated. You can generate many more unlimited per day limit per day. Subscribe our channel. Meet in the next video and bell.